फॉर्मुलेन नुस्तें प्रकरणा वयल्यान विरोधी पक्षान जे कितें हावजान केलां तें योग्य आसा. आपलो तांकां आनी गोंयकारांकूय पुरा तेंको आसा. नुस्तेंमारी खात्यान वेळावेळार तपासणी करपाची गरज आसा म्हण उपसभापती मायकल लोबो उलयला. RDX खातीर पर्वरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस.
It is not only opposition, the entire Goans are worried about formalin issue and contaminated food where pesticides, where chemicals which are dangerous to human life are being put where food is concerned. It's not accepted by any Goan or any Indian.
Now, do you feel that FDA or Health Department or Fisheries had taken enough measures on this issue?
So far no measures were taken, so they have to take measures in the near future.
So Fisheries Department or FDA and kinds
See, there were no measures, that is why fish was being sold in this fashion. But it is good thing that all over Goa, not only for fish. Why we are talking only about fish? What about the vegetables and fruits?
So Fishery Department has a failure on government?
Not failure. I am not talking about failure. Let them change their methods. They were used to be sitting behind the bench or desk. So let them come out of the office. Let them establish. See, all over the world, FDA has offices where the general market is there, and they keep a watch. They do periodical checks, which was not happening. So fruit market, vegetable market, periodical checks have to be done. We cannot take things for granted as far as the locals and Indians are concerned who are coming over here to Goa as a tourist or as a local who is eating food on daily basis. They cannot be at risk just because of the negligence of some department people.
Whose negligence?
If they do not have enough staff, they should take more staff.
Whose negligence you feel
No, it is negligence of everyone, all the departments which are interrelated.
with this issue?
Yes, of course.
FDA, Health and everybody.
No, we have to take the responsibility. What opposition has done yesterday is the right thing.
You support?
I fully support them, and I support all the Goans who are standing up for this issue.
One side we talk about.
We all have to stand.
Sir,
Why it is opposition and ruling for this issue?